Hey guys, what is up? This is Cameron back once again, bringing you guys a brand new video today. Today we're actually going to be doing an unboxing and my first impression on an interesting product that Logitech just launched, and that is the MX Vertical Mouse. Now when I first saw this product, I was so interested I had to do a video on it because it's really not your typical mouse. It literally is, as you can see, a vertical mouse. So it's much different than anything I've used, and I'm so interested to test this out because it's supposed to be more ergonomic and better on your wrist overall for long-term use. So I'm really interested to see if it is more comfortable to use, and really if you can use it for gaming, if you really only have to use it for daily use. And I really want to do this unboxing video just to show you guys what comes in the package and give you my first impressions of what I think of it, and just go from there. So make sure to leave a like rating on the video if you enjoy, subscribe to the channel, just stay updated on my videos. I'll have a full review of this coming out soon, so make sure you stay tuned to the channel for that, and check out the links in the description down below if you're interested in checking this product out further for more information or to buy it. But let's go ahead and unbox this and I'll give you guys my first impressions. Alright, so right off the bat, this is part of the MX line of Logitech mouses. They have the MX, the MX Master, now the MX Vertical. And this one is definitely different than any of those because, like I said, it literally is, as you can see, a vertical mouse. So completely different from anything I've ever tried out, and that's why I'm just so interested in this because it is supposed to be better for your wrist, a more natural posture when using it. But I'm wondering if it applies to gaming, if you're able to use it for that, or if it really is only good for your day-to-day desk work. So really I want to go ahead and open it up. I'll just show you guys around the box really quick. It's just a diagram of what it's supposed to do. It sits at a 57-degree angle for optimal ergonomic posture, and a 10% reduction in muscular strain. So that's really the goal of this mouse. I know for me, I sit at a desk quite a bit for my job, so if this can help with any shoulder and wrist pain that I may have while sitting at the desk, this would be a huge benefit. Let's go ahead and open this up. I know that it uses the Logitech software, so I'm interested in that. But let's go ahead and open this up and get it out of the box so I can actually show you guys what it looks like and what I think about it. So first off, at the very top, we're going to get the USB cable to charge it. It is a wireless mouse, but it does come with a wired option, which I really love. I use a Logitech G730 mouse, and the best thing about that is I can have it plugged in and use it, or just use it wirelessly. So having both options, you gotta have it. And then also in here, you're gonna get a little bit of literature, a quick start guide, just some information about it overall. But you may or may not need to look at that. Getting deeper into the box, we're gonna get the actual mouse. So let's pull it out. So first things first, you get the wireless dongle. Love the small size. I really hate those large USBs, so this is perfect. It's just what I'm looking for in a mouse. And you get the actual mouse itself. So first impressions, incredibly lightweight. Now it does feel a bit weird just using it for the first time, just because I'm not used to using a mouse like this. I'm used to it like this, but I can already tell you it is a more natural position for my wrist to be like this. You think about it, when you put your arms at your side, they're normally like this. So it makes a lot of sense for this to be at this 57-degree angle for you to use. But I'll give you a look around the mouse. You can see on the bottom we have a power button right there to turn it on and off. You get your laser sensor right there. It looks like a DPI setting on the bottom. It's got a 1, 2, and 3. So I imagine you can change the sensitivity on there. We get 2 programmable buttons on the side, which are really good. I know I use these quite a bit on my gaming mouse. I program things on there for League of Legends and stuff, so having those are good. And then if you flip to this side, you can see your standard left click and right click and scroll wheel. Material wise, it's a nice rubber material, so it is kind of grippy on your hand. Your hand's not going to slide off. And if you are one that sweats a lot on your hand, it's really not going to be an issue. Your thumb is not going to slide on there. And then you have your USB input right there, which you can use to obviously charge the mouse, or if you don't want to use the wireless dongle, operate the mouse in general. But for a vertical mouse, it does look, like I said, it looks a little weird. Like I'm just used to a normal size mouse, but I think in terms of just a vertical mouse, it looks as sleek as you could possibly get. With that rubberized feel, it's really comfortable on your hand. And I'd have to get used to this posture. I'll use this thing consistently for the next couple weeks to give you guys my verdict on it. But so far, it's not so bad. I just definitely have to get used to it. So I hope this gave you guys a good first impression of the product, kind of showed you what comes in the box, what to expect if you do buy this product. Like I said, I'll have links in the description down below if you're interested in checking out the website and possibly purchasing one. But this is definitely something I'll have to get used to, and I'll bring you guys my full review to give you my final verdict and tell you, is it worth it to get a vertical mouse? Are you going to be able to use it for gaming, or you have to swap out to another mouse completely to game? You know, that's questions that I'm going to answer in my full review, so stay tuned to the channel for that. But really, that's all I have for you guys today. I do hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this gave you a good impression of what to expect if you do buy this product. Like I said at the beginning of the video, if you enjoy it, make sure to leave a like rating on the video, subscribe, and also in the comment section down below, let me know if there's any videos specifically you want to see about this product, and I'll try to get them made. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in my next one. See ya.